Good morning, team. There were few very good results. One is Sona Comstar, and the other one is Tata Chemical, and Moltech Packaging also was a fantastic result. So I think after 1 or 2 days of consolidation, these stocks have the opportunity to move up. Fed announced a policy. They say they have hiked the policy rate by 25 basis points. And Powell said, in principle, we won't have to raise rate as much, which indicates that there will be a pause, after which interest rate cut can happen. Maybe it will happen towards the end of next year. But I think from here on, interest rate hike globally is not there on the cards. And with a lot of banks failing in US, I think that would not be a very good policy. Angel One came with a monthly update, and the update has been very good. This is one stock to watch. They have a client base of 1 crore 41 lakhs, and they have added about 2.56% more client month-on-month basis, 46.6% if you take it on year-on-year basis. They have added this month alone compared to last month 3.8 lakh clients, which is very good numbers if you do anything. The funding book is almost 10,990 crores, but the funding book has come down compared to month-on-month basis or year-on-year basis. But this is because many, in the month of April, many people have cut down their funding or leverage portion. That should be one reason. Solar Industries came with results. Again, fantastic set of numbers. 6,923 crores was the revenue for the full year. It was higher by 75%. Profit after tax, 811 crores, higher by 78%. When you see this quarter, Q4 FY23, revenue is higher by 46% at 1,929 crores. Profit after tax higher by 26% at 221 crores. They have declared a dividend of 8 rupees. Company has said defense order alone is 1,100 crores. So, defense order is forming a major portion of their order book. EPS for the full year was 83 rupees 68 paisa. The stock trades at 50 times. But seeing the growth, any growth above 30% on a consistent basis, the stock, for a long-term investor is still attractive. SIS has come with the results. Now, this is a very difficult business. They are into security and cash logistic business. So their revenue for the full year grew by 12.8% at 11,345 crores. Profit after tax higher by 6.3% at 346 crore. But when it comes on quarterly, the revenue was higher by 13.1% at 2,995 crores. But profit after tax down by 6.3%. So now here, this is a very low margin business. If you compare the business they do, hardly 2% or 2.5% will be the profit after tax margin. And their EPS for the full year was 23.7. Aavas Financial came with the results. So now AUM is higher by 24.8% at 14,166 crore. Profit after tax higher by 19.8% at 428 crores. 446 branches they have. Now the stock was at one time trading at 10 times book. Now it is almost 3 times book. But still, for me, it looks very expensive, looking at the AUM, just 14,000 crore AUM, not a great thing. They have to grow at least at 50% year-on-year basis for us to have a look at it. KAC came with the results, slightly disappointing results. The order book is huge. Now, their revenue growth is very good. 26% is the revenue growth at 17,282 crores. Order book is 34,000 crores, 2 years visibility they have, but profit after tax is down by 50% at 176 crore. Net debt is 4,985 crores. Tata Chemical also, the result was good. For the full year, the revenue was higher by 33% at 16,789 crores. Profit after tax higher by 75% at 2,452 crores. Dividend is 17.5%, 17.5 rupees. Gross debt is 6,296 crore. Excellent result. The stock trades at 10 times. Previously, the stock was trading at 5 times, trailing EPS. So I don't think it is expensive, but normally this is a commodity company. So normally they trade at a discount. SJVN has backed the full capacity of 200 megawatt at 2.88 per unit on build, operate, transfer basis. The solar project will be developed by the company in Kavala Solar Park, Gujarat. Approximate cost is 1,200. Sula Vineyard came with results. So revenue was higher by 21.9%. Profit after tax was higher by 61.2% at 84 crores. Revenue was 553 crores. Okay results. I will not say it is a great result, but the stock has already run up. Vishnu Chemical also came with the results. Now, okay kind of results. Revenue was higher by 31%. Profit after tax higher by 68%. But they said barium chemicals, their capacity will be 90,000 ton per annum in FY24. That is something positive. Over to you, team.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। कॉल को हम एक बार हिंदी में कर लेते हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं रिजल्ट से। तो कल हमने देखा कि सोनाकॉम, टाटा केमिकल और मोल्टेक के रिजल्ट्स आए हैं। मोल्टेक पैकिंग के रिजल्ट्स आए हैं। तो हम बेसिकली रिजल्ट्स के 2 दिन पहले और 2 दिन बाद हम ट्रेड नहीं करते। हमें ये स्टॉक्स काफी अच्छे लग रहे। सोनाकॉम में हमारे ऑलरेडी फंडामेंटल बाय है, तो स्टॉक काफी नीचे आ चुका है। तो हमें लगता है कि ये 2 या 3 दिन के बाद इसमें मोमेंटम ट्रेड एक्टिविटी देखने को मिलेंगे। तो हमारा ये मानना है कि ये स्टॉक पे हमें पोजीशंस बनानी चाहिए। लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब से काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं। उसके बाद एक अपडेट फेड के ऊपर आया था। फेड ने 25 बेसिस पॉइंट से इंटरेस्ट रेट राइज किया है। तो अब ये उनका मानना है कि ये जो है ये ऑलमोस्ट 16 साल के हाईएस्ट पीक पे है। तो अब उनको जिस हिसाब से जो यूएस में जो बैंक्स में जो प्रॉब्लम्स जो दिखाई दे रहे, तो उनको लग रहा है कि ये उनके पीक पे है। तो अभी ये शायद इसके आगे चलते हुए फेड इसमें हाइक नहीं करेंगे, ये इनके स्पीच से पता चलता है। और हमारा ये मानना है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर के एंड तक शायद वो रेट कट करना भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो ये हमको वॉच पे तो ये एक पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ हो सकता है। एंजल वन के ऊपर नंबर्स आए थे, तो उनके मंथली अपडेट्स थे। तो उनके जो ऑलमोस्ट 1,41,000 के ऊपर अकाउंट्स हैं। तो जो उन्होंने मंथली अपडेट में बताया कि उन्होंने सिंगल मंथ में उन्होंने 2.5% मोर इन्होंने क्लाइंट्स ऐड किए हैं, जो काफी ह्यूज है। ईयर ऑन ईयर 46.5% और 3.8 लाख क्लाइंट्स के उन्होंने काफी उनके उनके जो क्लाइंट के जो ग्रोथ है मंथन में काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग देखने को देखे। फंडिंग के जो बुक्स है थोड़ा सा नीचे आया है, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा प्रेशर था मार्केट में। बट देन जिस हिसाब से वो क्लाइंट बेस बढ़ा रहे, तो ये स्टॉक एक देखने जैसा है। तो उसके लॉन्ग टर्म काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग लग रहे हैं। सोलर इंडस्ट्रीज पे अपडेट है। वहाँ पे कंपनी ने 6,923 का रेवेन्यू जनरेट किया, 74% अब था। पैट भी 811 करोड़ के हिसाब से के करीब पाया है। कंपनी पे व्यू पॉजिटिव है। तो कंपनी 8 रुपीज का डिविडेंड किया है। तो ये एक कंपनी वॉच लिस्ट पे रहेगा, पॉजिटिव व्यू है। सोलर इंडस्ट्री काफी सारे ऑर्डर बुक डिफेंस से आते हैं। 1,000 से ज्यादा करोड़ के ऑर्डर बुक उनके डिफेंस पे है। तो ये हमें लगता है कि ये काउंटर एक पॉजिटिव हो सकता है। ऐसा है सिक्योरिटी, इसके ऊपर रेवेन्यू, इसका रिजल्ट अपडेट था। रेवेन्यू 12% था, 11,343 करोड़। पैट ईयर ऑन ईयर 6.3%, 346 करोड़ के आसपास आया था। बट आप क्वार्टरली देखोगे तो इसका 13.1%, 2,995 के प्लस। और पैट में गिरावट देखने को मिली है 6.3%। इनके मार्जिन काफी कम होते हैं इस बिजनेस में। तो सिर्फ 2% के मार्जिन इनके होते हैं पैट के बाद। तो ज्यादा इसमें मोमेंटम नहीं हो सकता है। तो इससे न्यूट्रल व्यू लेके चलेंगे। केएसी इंटरनेशनल के ऊपर न्यूज अपडेट है। ऑर्डर बुक इनका काफी ह्यूज है, ईयर ऑन ईयर 26% का ग्रोथ देखने को मिला है। ऑर्डर बुक 34,000 के करीब है। पैक्ट ईयर इन -50%, 176 करोड़ के आसपास था, तो थोड़ा सा स्लाइटली नेगेटिव व्यू है, थोड़ा सा कॉशियस व्यू लेके चलेंगे। टाटा केमिकल के ऊपर पॉजिटिव व्यू है। रेवेन्यू 33% ईयर इन पॉजिटिव था, 16,789 करोड़ के पास। पैट 75% से इंक्रीज हुआ है। डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया 17.5 रुपी उन्होंने डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया है, तो टाटा केमिकल पे पॉजिटिव व्यू लेके चलेगा। उसूला वाइनेट्स के ऊपर भी रिजल्ट अपडेट था। रेवेन्यू में इंक्रीज, रेवेन्यू और पैट में आपको दोनों ही इंक्रीज बढ़त देखने को मिली है, बट देन हालांकि ये स्टॉक रिसेंटली चल चुका है, तो यमन इसमें न्यूट्रल व्यू रहेगा। तो उसके बाद ये पीयूष गोयल ने फूड ऑन कंज्यूमर जो एफआई मिनिस्टर पीयूष गोयल जो उन्होंने बताया है कि पूरे कंपनी का पूरे 20% का जो एथेनॉल का जो टारगेट है, वो जो है वो हम ये मेज 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 क्रॉप जो होता है वो अगर उसको अगर हम ग्रो करते हैं, तो यहाँ से हमारा वो ये सप्लाई वाला जो डिमांड है यहाँ से फुलफिल हो सकता है। तो उन्होंने बताया कि काफी सारे कंपनी अगर फैक्ट्रीज अगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करती है, तो ये एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकता है। और जो हम ऑलमोस्ट 2025 तक ये पेट्रोल को इससे ऑलमोस्ट इसको मुकाबले हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, या उसके इक्विवेलेंट हो सकते हैं। डाबर इंडिया पे एक अपडेट था कि उनके जो इन्वेस्टमेंट बोर्ड है जो नेपाल के हैं, उन्होंने वो नेपाली करेंसी में 969 करोड़, जो इंडिया के करेंसी में आईएनआर के हिसाब से 608 करोड़ होता है, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए डाबर इंडिया नेपाल ग्रुप में करेंगे। ये बेसिकली कैपेसिटी एक्सपांशन, प्रोडक्ट डाइवर्सिफिकेशन और प्लांट फैसिलिटीज के लिए रहेगा। सो ये एक वॉच लिस्ट पे हो सकता है। और इसके आगे टाइटंस के नंबर देखने को मिले। टाइटंस का रेवेन्यू ऊपर था 33% ईयर ऑन ईयर। एबिटा भी ऊपर था 37% ईयर ऑन ईयर। एबिटा मार्जिन 10.5% वर्सेस 10.2% रहा है। नेट प्रॉफिट में 40% की उछाल देखने को मिली है ईयर ऑन ईयर। तो इसके अलावा बोर्ड ने 10 रुपए का डिविडेंड भी डिक्लेयर किया है, तो ये हालांकि ये पॉजिटिव न्यूज रहेगा टाइटन के लिए। पेट्रोनेट एलएनजी के ऊपर अपडेट था। रेवेन्यू और ईयर ऑन ईयर 24%, 24.31% ईयर ऑन ईयर अप था। एबिटा जो डाउन है 19.35% ईयर ऑन ईयर। एबिटा की जो मार्जिन है वो 6.79% वर्सेस 10.47, तो इसमें डिक्लाइन देखने को मिला है। नेट प्रॉफिट में भी डाउन है 21.77% ईयर ऑन ईयर। और बोर्ड ने फाइनल डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया 3 रुपीज पर शेयर। तो नेट नेट ये एक नेगेटिव व्यू है रिजल्ट्स को देखते हुए, तो नेगेटिव कॉशियस व्यू लेके चलेंगे इसके ऊपर। बजाज कंज्यूमर के ऊपर अपडेट है। रेवेन्यू अप था 14.29% ईयर ऑन ईयर। एबिटा भी में भी उछाल देखने को मिली है 20.11%। एबिटा मार्जिन जो है 16.72% वर्सेस 15.91%। नेट प्रॉफिट ऊपर था 12.95% ईयर ऑन ईयर। एंड कंपनी ने फाइनल डिविडेंड अनाउंस किया 5 रुपीज पर शेयर, तो ये एक पॉजिटिव न्यूज रहेगा। उसके बाद जो चोला इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के ऊपर अपडेट है, तो उनके टोटल Q4 FY23 के नंबर्स आए। टोटल AUM उनके 1065 बिलियन है, और इनमें 38.5% ईयर ईयर की ग्रोथ देखने को मिली है। उनके जो पैट थे वो 8.5 बिलियन है, जो 23.7% ईयर एंड ईयर ग्रोथ देखने को मिला है। इस पे हमारा बाय टारगेट है। हमारे जो टारगेट पे से 390 का इस पे प्राइस टारगेट है। मोलटेक हालूवाला कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के ऊपर भी एक अपडेट है, जहाँ पे कंपनी को ऑर्डर बुक इन्फ्लोस मिले हैं। तो बेसिकली जो इनको मिला है 38 बिलियन मिला है। जो FY23 के ऑर्डर लाइन बुक के हिसाब से, जो तो हालांकि वो 50 बिलियन था, तो हालांकि उनको जो इस हिसाब से जो ऑर्डर बुक्स मिले पूरे साल के मुकाबले, जो लास्ट ईयर के जो कंट्रीब्यूशन थे उसके मुकाबले जो फर्स्ट मंथ में इतने ऑर्डर बुक्स मिले हैं, कि अगर वो पूरे साल भर के अगर आप देखोगे तो काफी अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिख सकता है। उनके जो कंपनी ने बताया कि उनकी जो रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ है 15% एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है, FY24 एस्टिमेटेड है। हमारा इसका बाय का व्यू है, इसका जो टारगेट प्राइस है 650 है।
Technical indicators update. If you see yesterday's trading session, NIFTY opened on a gap down mode, but it traded in a very narrow range. Basically, it was in the sideways mode only in the trading range of roughly approximately, if you say 100 odd points range throughout the day, and ended in a negative node with a cut of 60 odd points. So if you see index is managing to hold 18,000 levels, but is managing to hold 18,000 levels. So if you're on the sectoral front, if you see the real estate, private banks had showed some strength, while IT metals and PSU banks were less profitable from the day earlier. So currently coming to the today's expiry, I see the bigger ranges between 18,000, 18,200 should be act as a support and resistance zone. The expiry should be in this range, and if we go above 18,200, then we can see a fresh witness breakout in coming week towards 18,400 and 18,500 levels. These are slipping below 18,000 will open next towards 17,800 odd levels. So on a broader base, on a daily chart, if you see the Nifty is in a positive strength, and the dip towards 17,800, 18,000 should be used an opportunity to add loss. So buy on decline strategy should be used up to 17,800. Similarly, if you see Bank Nifty also opened with deep cuts, but it managed to recoup most of its losses, and it traded to it was showing strength than Nifty, and it traded close to the yesterday's closing price. And Bank Nifty, but however, closed on a flattish one with a cut of 40 odd points. So if you see in the stock specific trend, then Federal Bank and IDFC and Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank were showing some strength and keeping the bank Nifty index up, while Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, and SBI closed in like basically this go first going into resolution, and IBC was creating a hangover on these stocks, basically banking stocks, because we might have some exposure to them. So further, if you see the overall trend is bullish, and if you see any dip towards 40,500 and 43,000, you should be using an opportunity to add longs. And any move, if you see on the higher side, and 43,800 and 44,000 would be can we see some hurdles, or can we see some profit booking in that too. Secondly, coming to the derivatives OI data, if you see, then we have built a minor short built up was with the addition of 0.03 million shares. And if you see on the PCR also converted from 1.16 to 1.02 odd level. Similarly, on the options front, if you see for Nifty, call writing has shifted from 18,100 to 18,200. And while on the put side, if you see 18,000, 17,900. So if you see a bigger side, then 18,200 and 17,900 are the lightest area. So this should act on today a cushion or hurdle for the index. Similarly, coming to Bank Nifty, PCR saw an uptick from 1.09 from 1 to 1.09, and but in the future side, if you see, there was also a minor short build to the tune of 1%. And coming to the Bank Nifty put options on the options front, then 43,200, 43,200 are the strike where we are seeing additions. While on the call side, if you see 43,200, 43,300 side. So on the Bank Nifty front is also narrow range, a range of 500 odd points. Now coming to the FIS stats, FIS yesterday buying one day, and they've again sold off 16,000 odd contracts. So now they are net short by 12,500 contracts, and ratio from 51% had dropped to 46%. On the cash side, again, they were buyers for the third day. They had bought to the tune of 1338 crores, and they had sold the tune of 583 crores. Coming to the long build-ups, MRF, Hero Motor, and Rail has seen a good long build-up for the May expiry, but shorts were seen in Vellappuram, UBL, and Sports. Stocks which can kept on the radar of Pidilite Industries, Lemon Tree Hotels, and Hindustan Copper. Those stocks should be kept on radar. These are looking good on charts. And Asian Paints can be also looked on it. So that's it from mine. I'll hand over to Archana ma'am for more updates.
Thank you, Hitendra. Good morning, team. So, a few updates from my side, starting with quarterly numbers. On Titan, the revenue was up 33% YOY at 10,360 crores, while EBITDA was up by almost 37% YOY at 1,089 crores. The EBITDA margins were flattish at 10.5%, and the company has reported net profit growth of 40% at 736 crore. The board has also recommended a dividend of 10 rupees per share. Very strong set of numbers by Titan. On Tata Chemicals, the net sales was up 27% over Q4 FY22 to 4,400 crores, while EBITDA was up by almost 47% YOY at 965 crores. EBITDA margin is improved by almost 300 bips to 22%, while the net profit was up by 53% at 711 crores. The company has declared dividend of 17.5 rupees per share for this financial year. On Petronet LNG, the numbers were kind of weak. The net sales was up by 24% at 13,800 crores, while EBITDA has been down by almost 19% at 942 crore. The company's EBITDA margins were also down by almost 300 odd bips at 6.7%, while net profit was down by 22% at 619 crores. On Sona BLW, the numbers were pretty positive. The net sales was up by 35% at 743 crores compared to Q4 FY22, while EBITDA was up by almost 50 odd percent to 200 crores. The company's EBITDA margin has improved by 200 bips to 27%, while net profit has been up by almost 15 odd percent. The board has declared dividend of 1.5 rupees per share, and we have buy rating on the stock with a target price of 670 rupees. On Bajaj Consumer, the number has been pretty positive. The revenue was up by 15% at 250 crores, while EBITDA has been up by almost 20 odd percent on YY basis at 42 crores. EBITDA margin has been flattish at 17%, and profit has been up by 13% at 41 crores compared to Q4 FY22. The company has declared dividend of 5 rupees per share for this financial year. There's a news update on Dabur India. So Dabur Nepal, a subsidiary of the company, has received the approval of Investment Board of Nepal for an additional investment of 969 crores. So Nepalese rupees, which is approximately 608 crores. The capital will enable the company to fund its capacity expansion, product diversification, and factory upgradation in Nepal. And this will be done over next 4 to 5 years. So pretty positive news for Dabur India. On Q4 for Chola Investment, the total AUM came in at 1,065 billion for this quarter, which was up by almost 39% YOY, while NII came in at 19.7 billion, again healthy growth of 31%. The company reported PAT of 8.5 billion, growth of 24% on Q4 FY22, and we have buy rating on the stock with a target price of 390. Moltech reported their Q4 numbers yesterday, and which was followed by their quarterly call. Very strong set of numbers, and over these quarterly numbers, the company's guidance for FY24 and 25 has been pretty encouraging. So on the volume front, the management has guided sales volume growth of 15 to 20% for next couple of years. The net sales has grown by 4% YOY at 1,184 crores, while EBITDA came in at 36 crore. The company's net profit was up by almost 32% to 23 crore for this quarter. We have buy rating on the stock with a target price of 1,252. And we believe that with the capacity expansion in place and the higher growth of food and FMCG going ahead, there should be margin expansion, and one should look at Moltech packaging for decent gains going ahead. And lastly, on Aluolia contracts, so the inflow remains strong with YTD FY24 order inflow of close to 38 billion, and FY23 order inflow was at 50 billion. Annual execution is at 30 billion, and thus book to bill has further improved and could see improved execution in FY24. In Q3 FY23 earnings call, the company has guided for revenue growth of 15% for upcoming financial year, and this could see upward revision given that the order book has been pretty strong for the company. We have buy rating on the stock with a target price of 650. So that's it from my side. Now I hand it over to Shantanu for further research updates. Thank you, and over to you, Shantanu.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So starting with the Fed update, the Federal Reserve reinforced its fight against high inflation on Wednesday by raising its key interest rate by a quarter point to the highest level in 16 years. But the Fed also signaled that it may now pause the streak of 10 rate hikes that have made borrowing for consumers and businesses steadily more expensive. In a statement after its latest policy meeting, the Fed said that while the banking system is sound and resilient, the upheaval in the financial system could slow borrowing, spending, and growth. It reiterated that the impact of pullback in bank lending remains uncertain. Coming to some economic news, Food and Consumer Affairs Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal expressed confidence that the country will achieve the target of 20% blending of ethanol with petrol by year 2025 and asserted that maize crop will play an important role in implementation of this program. Addressing a national seminar on maize to ethanol, Goyal said that ethanol is the sunrise sector and asked the industry to set up factories for manufacturing of this green fuel, which can operate on dual feedstock, that is sugarcane and food grains. The next news is related to SJVN, where the company has obtained a 200 megawatt grid connected solar power project in Khavda Solar Park through an e-reverse auction conducted by Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam. The tentative cost for the development of this project will be approximately rupees 1,200 crore.